Guys, if you're looking for a cheap way to fix some furniture, if you've got some nicks or a crack in a piece of furniture or a scratch, and you want to fix that scratch or without having to replace the entire piece of furniture or refinishing it, you can get one of these total furniture repair system kits from Amazon. They're super affordable, much cheaper than going into Lowe's or Home Depot and trying to get these marker sets. This comes with 13 pieces. So you can see here it's got 6 different markers, and the markers actually work incredible. They're really, really great. They match a lot of different wood finishes, and the marker's super easy to use. It also comes with some like crayons in here too. I haven't tried the crayons yet, but they look like they would work well also. So here's what the kit looks like. Those are all the different colors. I just used the cherry marker on a cherry piece of furniture and it came out great. And then here are the touch-up like crayons. I'll put a link down below. I highly recommend the kit. It's super affordable, like I said, much cheaper than going into Home Depot or Lowe's and getting those touch-up markers that are like $5 or $6 for just one marker. All right, guys, thanks for looking. Bye.